we're enjoying our few last minutes in Armidale and in a cabin, so we decided to have breakfast outside, which is always nice, right Marina? There's some kangaroos looking at us over there. Very surprised that we're here. So guys, now that we finished with most of our breakfast, it's time to give you a little tour of this cabin. So we're staying in a property called Two Dog Folly, right? Which is in the outskirts of Armidale. And this cabin is actually divided in two, so there's 2 units in here, and we are in the one with a view, and it's called the studio. So besides this deck where we are having our breakfast right now, it's actually quite cozy on the inside as well. So when you enter, there's like a small living room with a kitchen, with a sofa. There's a small desk where you can, do some work or whatever. There's also TV with Netflix, Wi-Fi. The kitchen has all the utensils that you need, including microwave with the oven, like combined, an induction stove, a bunch of pans. I mean, whatever you need, you have it here. And believe us, because we spent a week in Byron in a house without any of these appliances, and they are very useful when you're kind of staying and you don't want to go out and just want to come home and relax a bit. They're very useful, so it's very nice to have them. So there's a wall dividing the living room and the bedroom, and on the other side of that wall there's the bed, which is very cozy, very secluded from the main area. That's all you need, I guess. And the best feature of this house is actually the bathroom, because there's a major bathtub. You can take, a very warm bath at the end of the day if you need to. It's actually very, spacious. And I think the owners kind of thought about everything, because it's a very cozy cabin. You can stay here for a weekend or for a week and you have everything you need. There's a bunch of details that are very thought of, like the bathtub, like a warm towel warmer. Yeah, and we're kind of regretting that we're only staying here for this night on our way back to Sydney. But, maybe one day we'll return to explore Armidale a bit better. There's a bunch of waterfalls that we didn't get to see around here. That's about it of our trip, guys. Hope you enjoyed the videos. If you did, hit the thumbs like button, subscribe if you haven't, and see you next time. See ya. We're going home, Frederick. Your favorite place in the whole world. Home.